A very good evening to all of you all and to our lecturer and to everyone else that will be watching this presentation. Um, we are we are from Group D, and we are going to present to you all UPM as a Center of Excellence in Agriculture. My name is Ejemele Henry Izuchukwu, and my matric number is 191555.
And I'm also from Group D. My name is Nur Aman Azizi bin Nur Kamali, and my matric number is 195138.
Hi, my name is Nur Intan Janati Ramli. My matric number is 196772.
My name is Noor Khan Saizati bin.
Presentation. Firstly, we're going to cover the introduction and UPM's background in agriculture. Secondly, we are going to talk about UPM's achievement in agriculture sector. Thirdly, we are going to talk about the impacts of UPM's achievement to the society. And lastly, we will have a conclusion. So I would invite my team member to give us the introduction.
Okay.
Okay, for introduction, agriculture can be defined as and cultivation of animals, plants, and other life forms for food and other products used to sustain or enhance human life. Agriculture is the science or practice of farming, including cultivation of the soil for the growing crops and the rearing of animals to provide food and other products. Before the 70s, agriculture was the basis of Malaysia's economic growth. However, while it remains as an important sector, it is struggling to meet the country's consumption demands. Next, I'm going to talk about UPM background in agriculture. As we know, UPM is known as the Center of Agriculture in UPM is known as a center of excellence in agriculture. UPM as a knowledge institution carries a legacy of the history of agriculture education in Malaysia. Indeed, this university was founded in 1931 as the School of Agriculture. Despite a series of name changes over the years, it has maintained a focus on agriculture while also becoming a research university. As a matter of fact, UPM works with many local organizations and agencies to facilitate the transfer of knowledge. Next, I will pass to the second presenter. That's all from me. Thank you.
Here, I will introduce about UPM achievement in agriculture sector.
Can you increase your volume, please? It's so soft.
Hello, is clear?
Yeah, just increase the volume of your computer or handphone. Okay, try again.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Here I will introduce about UPM achievement in agriculture sector. As we know, UPM is one of the top in the field of agriculture. There are many achievements by UPM on research in the agriculture sector. First, we can see through the slide, a group of UPM researchers was produced products related to agriculture and food security through technological innovation by the UPTRA in 2016. This innovation is carried out in a collaboration with the Malaysian Ministry of Education through the long-term research grant scheme. They also produce innovation products such as foliar fertilizer, Gondang snail pesticides, and new rice varieties. The goals of this innovation are to improve farmers' socio-economy through sustainable management technology and to create new varieties of rice in produce years. And second, the UPM collaborate with FarmFresh to develop a center of Excellence in the Dairy Farm Industry at Farm 16, University Agriculture Park, UPM. As we know, FarmFresh is a well-known dairy farm industry in Malaysia. Then, through this collaboration, UPM FarmFresh, we established an agro-tourism center. It will introduce students to the dairy industry and instill interest among them. We can also encourage the young generation and visitors to enjoy the experience of being on a dairy farm. Thirdly, UPM researchers establish hybrid agrivoltaic system innovation. The innovation is developing racks for agriculture activity and drying of harvested crops by setting the rack under photovoltaic structure at PV solar farms. The agro-PV farms provide many advantages to farmers, which is this concept encourage green energy initiative which reduce carbon emission. It is also no extra cost for the PV panel and easily to install and operate. And lastly, UPM also has a farm with an incredible 126 hectares of inducting land which be the real test bed for farming. The achievement by the farm is the statutory turf grass used in golf courses. Second, UPM scientists successfully propagated orchids from a piece of leaf or some tissue into test tubes in a sort of cloning. According to all these achievements, it clearly shows that many successes have been achieved by UPM in this agriculture sector. And that's all from me. I will pass to another member.
Okay, thanks to my friend just now. In my part is for the impact of UPM achievement to society. First, the impact is to make the community better understand about agriculture and they can also learn from UPM through online medium or many other medium. Second is provide knowledge about agriculture to the community and is very useful to smallholder to manage their farm in a more organized and efficient way. Third is can inspire small entrepreneurs to continue to succeed in the field of agriculture and encourage them that everything is not impossible to do. And the next one is give a good example that agriculture can also generate income just like any other job. Even agriculture is more beneficial to all. And the lastly is giving a good image to foreigner toward our society and country that there is an institute that produce a knowledge of agriculture that is very useful to all and will benefit the country. Okay, that's all from me. Next is I will pass to my friend Henry.
Okay, from the onset of this presentation, we have seen that UPM was founded as an agriculture-centered institution, even when it was named the School of Agriculture. And it has continued to be an agriculture-centered institution. And the top agriculture university in Malaysia. And UPM has also achieved tremendous success in the field of agriculture, added to other fields where UPM operate, like as in other faculties that are there in UPM, agriculture stands out. And lastly, I would like to say that UPM is engaged with the society. It is not isolated or insulated, but engaged with the society. Like it is the goal of every university to impact society through the creation and development of knowledge and also the transfer of knowledge, information, and technology. So with all these few things having been discussed here, we can boldly say that UPM is a center of excellence in agriculture. Thank you for your attention, and that's all from our group.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.